Alright, we are now starting part 2. Part 1 showed you how to get to the screen where you can do your search. Part 2 is going to show you quickly how to do a web search. So if you're looking up Facebook, we're going to type in Facebook here. A Facebook search, which is what I've done, yields a total of 60,000 results. That's way too many. Now you have to remember the things that we are looking at in terms of our criteria for comparison. So if I type in Facebook history, which is one of the things I want to look for, you're going to find still a lot, almost 1,500 results. But if I break that down even further to the word development, so now my search criteria is Facebook development history, and I do search, that's then going to take me down to 40 sources. And this first source, about Facebook, is the one that I showed you in class. If I click on that source, there's a couple things you get to see here. First of all, if it says HTML full text, which it says right here, that tells you that the text of the article is on the page. You can read the article from there. If it's PDF full text, that means you can download it. If neither of these exist, that means that we can't actually look at the article. It may be linked somewhere else, but we don't actually have it in the database here. The other thing you can look at is there's what's called an abstract. An abstract tells you what is in the actual article. So really you can look at the abstract here to get information. And notice this one, a discussion of the history of Facebook, which was started by Harvard University student Mark Zuckerberg in 2004, is presented. This tells you that this article is going to tell you everything you want to know about how it started. There's your history of Facebook information. You've decided this is a good source. Over here you have print. You're going to print out the source, and now you have your first resource available, and you are good to go for tomorrow. If this source does not work, let's just assume, you can then go through all the other sources that are presented to you and decide which one's going to work. I suggest you read through a couple of them before you decide which one you want to print off and bring to class tomorrow.